Another day in the life of an insurance agent. Have you ever wondered, what do I have to do to get a disability insurance quote? What kind of information do I have to give to our office or to any insurance agent before somebody can run a disability insurance quote for me? Well, we're going to unpack that today. Today's topic is, how do I get a disability insurance quote? Hello, let's get started. My name is David Matkosky. Our agency is called Vistaplan Financial Group, and today we're going to unpack the information needed to do a disability insurance quote. We're going to look at 5 different pieces of information you have to give an insurance agent so that somebody can run a disability insurance quote for you. Number 1, you always have to remember that you have to have an income to get a disability insurance contract. Disability insurance is income replacement. That means that you have an income, you've suffered a disability, and now the disability insurance is replacing that income that you lost. So number 1, you have to have an income to get a disability insurance contract. Number 2, we have to know what your occupation is. The life insurance companies have put all the different occupations into occupational classes. That simply means they've assessed each occupation based on risk and stability, and depending on the occupation determines the type of disability plan we can even offer you or quote for you. So we have to know what your occupation is. Sometimes the occupation is pretty straightforward. Just by naming it, we know what you do. Other times, in some engineering or consulting type occupations, we have to get a little more specific. Exactly what do you physically do all day, and then we can, based on that, we can determine an occupational class, and that determines which disability insurance contract we can even quote you. Number 3, we have to have your date of birth, your month, and your year. The way the insurance industry operates is 6 months after your birthday, you go to the next year. So you're a certain age 6 months before your birthday and 6 months after your birthday. Then 6 months after your birthday, you go to the next year. Along with the date of birth, we have to know if you're a smoker. Do you smoke? Yes or no? Smoking 1 cigarette a month makes you a smoker. So you either smoke or you don't smoke, and we have to know that. Number 4, how much disability insurance monthly benefit are you looking for? As a rule of thumb, you can purchase up to 70% of your last year's income in disability benefits. That's one way to look at it. So if you were making $100,000 a year, you can get about $70,000 of disability benefits per year. Divide 70,000 by 12, that's your monthly benefit. Another way to look at it is to take a look at what it costs to run your household. If your fixed monthly expenses in your home are only $4,000, maybe that's all the disability insurance you need. So take a look at your fixed cost. If you became disabled and lost your income, how much money would you need to make sure all the fixed costs in your home are covered? That's really important. Mortgage, any loans, car loans, of course, food, utilities, and if things for the children if they need it. So what are you spending on a monthly basis on a fixed income? And last, number 5, you have to remember that you have to pass a medical for disability insurance. So there are some disability insurance contracts that cover accident only, so you don't have to have a medical for those plans. But for most disability plans, you have to be able to pass a medical. So you can't already be disabled. You have to be in good health. And certainly, the younger you are, the sooner you get your disability insurance, the better off you're going to be in the long run. So that's the 5 things we have to look at in order to get a disability insurance quote. We have to know, are you working? You have an income? What's your occupation? What's your date of birth? how much disability insurance income are you looking for, and can you pass a medical? If we know those 5 pieces of information, we can run a disability insurance quote for you with almost any company and give you an idea of what the premiums are like. So I hope this has been helpful. In the next minute, we're going to see a slide that if you ever wanted to reach out to us or if you had some questions. Also, if you ever have some questions about a video you would like to learn about, please respond to me. Let me know what it is. I'd be happy to put together a video, and we try to post a video every Wednesday. So if you go down to our YouTube channel and subscribe to our channel, you'll be notified every time we post a new video. So hope this has been helpful. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.